Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Salerifia Zahra. I wanna explain about my result analysis such as Kraven the Hunter film 2023. Okay. Films are often seen as simple entertainment, something we watch just to relax. However, films can actually be analyzed in the same way as literary works, just like novels or dramas. Films contain narrative elements, such as characters, conflicts, and themes, as well as social message that reflect real life issues. One film released in 2024 that is interesting to analyze is Kraven the Hunter, directed by G.C. Kander. This film tells the story of Sergei Kravinov, a man shaped by violence, survival, and emotional trauma, who later becomes a weird hunter. What makes this film unique is that Kraven is not presented as a typical villain. Instead, he is shown as a complex character who struggles with morality, identity, and his past. In this video, I will analyze Kraven the Hunter as a literary work by focusing on its narrative elements and the social issues represented in the film. Film as a literary work. From a literary perspective, Kraven the Hunter has a strong narrative structure. The story is driven not only by action scenes but also by character development, internal conflict, and emotional depth. The film explores how a person is shaped by family, upbringing, and environment. It shows that even an action film can deliver meaningful message about humanity, trauma, and moral choices. Therefore, Kraven the Hunter can be analyzed as a literary text, not just a superhero or action movie. Okay, the next narrative elements, such as character. One of the most important narrative elements in Kraven the Hunter is character, especially the main character, Sergei Kravinov. Sergei is portrayed as a dynamic character, meaning he changes and develops throughout the story. At the beginning, he is shown as a frightened boy growing up under the control of his father, Nikolai Kravinov. His father is cruel, authoritarian, and believes that violence and dominance define true masculinity. This harsh upbringing deeply affects Sergei's personality. As an adult, he becomes physically strong and fearless, but emotionally wounded. However, Sergei does not fully follow his father's ideology. Instead, he creates his own moral code. Although he is violent, he chooses to hunt criminals rather than innocent people or animals. This decision shows that Sergei is constantly struggling between his violent instincts and his desire to be morally different from his father. This inner struggle makes his character complex and human. Father-son relationship. The relationship between Sergei and his father is the emotional core of the film. Nikolai Karpinov represents an abusive parent who uses fear, pressure, and violence to control his child. Through flashbacks and dialogue, the film shows how Sergei grows up without emotional safety. His father never allows weakness, fear, or empathy. Everything is about strength, obedience, and survival. This father-son conflict is not only personal but also symbolic. It represents the clash between old values based on violence and domination and new values based on personal choice and moral responsibility. Sergei's journey is essentially an attempt to break free from his father's shadow. Narrative element, conflict, and setting. Conflict plays a major role in driving the story of Craven the Hunter. The film presents both internal and external conflicts. The internal conflict exists within Sergei himself. He struggles with guilt, anger, and his violent nature. He wants to reject his father's brutal worldview, but violence is the only language he has ever taught. The external conflict comes from enemies and danger situations that force Sergei to fight in order to survive. These conflicts push him deeper into the role of a hunter. The setting of the film dominated by wild nature and harsh environments support the theme of survival. The wilderness reflects Sergei's inner world, brutal, uncontrolled, but honest and raw. Social issue, toxic masculinity. One major social issue presented in the film is toxic masculinity. Sergei's father believes that a real man must be aggressive, emotionally cold, and dominant. This idea is forced onto Sergei from a very young age, leaving him with deep physiological scars. The film criticized this concept by showing its consequences. Toxic masculinity destroys emotional connections, damage mental health, and creates cycles of violence. Sergei grows up isolated, unable to express emotions normally, and struggling to form healthy relationships. Through Sergei's suffering, the villain sends a message that strength without empathy can be destructive. Social issue, family violence and abuse. Another important social issue in Craven the Hunter is family violence and abuse. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.